YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. What's Your Beach. You new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Before we get into this vid, what am I gonna ask you to do? Do me a favor, let me get 400 likes on this joint. Wrong. I'm gonna ask you to, just right quick, man. Yo, Wave Mob, man. We're gonna practice cleanliness and sanitizing, you know? And while I'm doing this, I'm gonna ask you after you finish cleaning your hands off with that sanitizer, hit that like button for me. Let me get 400. Well, nah, let me get 5. If I can, let me get 500 likes on this joint, man. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be that on foot. You already know. The best on foot for these sneaks on YouTube.
I got it. I'm gone.
And before we get into that, let's do a little toast. Word.
Turn up the bass.
Oh. Hope that worked, because I can't do it again. Yeah, so we sipping on that double IPA, you know what I'm saying? Raging. Ooh, watch your mouth. You know what I'm saying? No, this is the double dog. My bad, this is the double dog. It's that, how many, I think it's like a 10.1. I'm way off. 12.0.
Open your eyes, motherfucker.
Man, missed that. All right. Anything.
So what?
Ain't nothing like a little libations to make that on feet sensation. Nah, but anyway, man. Yo, let me get one more sip and put this joint down. We can get into it.
Man, that monkey oil is gonna mess you up good.
Anyway, let's get into it.
Turn up the bass.
Oh, can't do that again. But anyway, yo. Shout out to, before I get into this joint, shout out to my man, Kevin Jimenez. He was the first person to be like, yo, make sure you spray them joints down when they come from China. This didn't come from China, but make sure you spray them boxes down. Shout out to you. LS Listo.
Scared of you?
I'm on level 2 or lesson 2 of Spanish. You know what I'm saying? Using my time wisely. If I'm gonna let somebody teach me Spanish that's never been to the heights, I might as well go on YouTube, you know what I'm saying? So enough of that, let's get into this box. But yeah, level 2. I'm about to be a threat. Hell yeah. So, oh damn, we don't got, one of these are not Jordan. So, yo, first off, man, you know I had to look out for Junior, you know what I'm saying? I was supposed to go to DR, but you know, my travel got canceled due to the situation, but the Most High will see it that me and my son see each other again, you know what I'm saying, real soon. But anyway, you know what I'm saying? Got him the shattered backboards for the little ones. I already got them for him already, but you know, bull growing. So I made sure I got like the biggest size I could. This is like the 4C. Gonna be a little bit of room in there, you know what I'm saying? But you be alright, you know what I'm saying? Alright. Then I got him the UNC to Chicago. I ain't even got these joints right here, man. I still do want these joints. If I can get like a good deal on them under retail, I'm all for it. Bam. Next joint. Oh, you know I have to take it back. This is like the first pair I ever got him technically, but yeah, he did grow out of them. Funny story. He don't really like having no sneaks on his feet though. Like he don't like nothing on his feet. He's steady like be kicking them off. But anyway, man, enough of baby bricks. You know what I'm saying? That's my boy. I had to get him the breads. I'm still looking for, I had a homeboy told me he was gonna hold me down, but I'm still looking for the Royals. And my bad, let me get this joint in more closer.
Yo, come on, man.
And for the last one, now I finally see the sizes. I don't know, I just cop them. But okay, he'll be alright. I did get him and we can barely see these. Got him a pair of Maxes. But yeah, man, I am trying to get him the Royal foams. I don't want to get him the pumpkin. I don't want to get him like the Halloweens, because we ain't doing that, no way. But yeah, so y'all got him the, you know what I'm saying? I had to get him the joints, you know? Or hell yeah. So got him these joints, the size 4, they for 9 to something months, 9 to 12. He's 6 months right now, but you be alright, you know what I'm saying? Enough of the kid stuff. Oh, got the shout out to my cousin Kim, appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so yo, now we yo, I thought we was on like quarantine. Why?
Don't ask no questions.
Turn up the bass.
Oh, hope that worked, cause what? So I'm gonna show you the joint. I'm going to a little story, cause you know I like to tell stories, you know what I'm saying? As long as they're truthful. Oh, yo, shout out to homie I saw in Aldi yesterday. I meant to shout you out on the vlog, and then after I did the vlog, like damn, I know I meant to shout him out, but I didn't. But shout out to you. I see he had the red, the Zoom rookies, the red joints. Joints was fly because I peeped them first before he came hollered at me or whatever. I was like, oh, okay, bet. I would have been like, yo, you want to be on the vlog? But one time somebody hit me with the,
Why would I?
you know, I just be like, all right, fuck you. Upside down and inside out. It's all about. When that joint, I don't know why that joint's like fresh on my mind like that. Whoop, there it is. Hey, quick, my bad, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm in the crib. I ain't seen nobody like all day. You remember whoop there it is and whoop there it is? Yeah, whoop there it is. And then they had a whoop there it is. Like, that was crazy. I don't know why like no big rap beef ever came upon that. But anyway, yo. So bam, you already know these the Air Jordan 3s, those red joints.
Oh no shit.
I wanted these. The only reason I didn't cop them was because at the time I was trying to get, well, let's get into them. I'm gonna tell you what was the reason. So, yo, here go the box right here. I'm all over the place. I'm just hyped, man. Damn, this quarantine shit got, you know, I ain't used to it, man. You know, it's the box right here. Size 10, Air Jordan 3 SC. Y'all know how to read?
Absolutely not.
Retail was $200, but I got, shout out to my homeboy D. Y'all remember D from
These nuts. Got him. Got him.
I never thought that joke was funny, but I might as well use it. But anyway, yo, yeah. So here they go right here. I got them from Dtlr. I'm gonna get into all that in a second. And then we can get into, okay. Yeah. Okay, got all the laces with them too, you know what I'm saying? Got all of them. Thumbnail. This one right here. Yeah, so what happened was I liked these when they dropped, but at the time I just didn't want to drop no paper on them after I believe I was just coming fresh up from I was getting my trip to DR, getting the Airbnb, all that type of stuff, you know what I'm saying? Doing my priorities first, you know what I'm saying? But I've been looking at them, and I wanted the ones that said the Shy, but now that I'm looking, I don't know, correct me, whatever. I'm thinking how I saw it, that one said Air and then the other sticker said Shy. I don't know, but in my mind, they both said Shy, and I did want that Shy joint. Why? Because I really respect the Shy. Never been there in my life. I've always just been, I don't know, not amazed. I want to put the word in. I don't know what the word is. Enamored or something. I don't know. But I remember like Common was like one of my favorite rappers back in the day, and I used to get that visual of I'm BD Weasel from the south side of Chicago, Cooley High, the whole shot. Like I do want to visit one day. Like that's on my bucket list. Like I really want to visit the shot. Not really worried. I will go see the Chicago Bulls center, you know, like the joint, but I really want to go to a Blackhawks game. I want to have that pizza and all that. But no, I was really always amazed with the shot. I used to love seeing Cabrini Green, the Good Times theme, all that stuff. Like I used to be like, you know, like damn, you know, looking at like that's what's up. But anyway, man, enough of me venting. I got these for $160 from Dtlr. Shout out to my man D. Again, I ain't gonna come up with a joke. Good. I did want them, and I was like, yo, let me wait until they go to like till they go on sale, or till they go to where is it, like the Woodbury Commons, Kevin, or one of them outlets. But I went a couple like 2 weeks ago, and they weren't there still. I looked on Footlocker, they were still not on sale, but they were still there. I went to Nike, I have like a 20% off on Nike, but they wouldn't let me apply the 20% off code to this. And my man was like, yo, they got them for the $160 here, he told me, and I was like, oh shit, I'm copping. I'm not gonna say F the ones with the shit, but I'm copping. But yeah, nah, I did want these joints. These joints is pretty nice for the 160. Anything else would be uncivilized. But anyway, yeah, man, I'm not getting into any kind of like review. I'm just gonna let y'all see them, bam, like that. And y'all let me know, did y'all cop these joints? And also, shout out to my man Ant Boogie. I seen he had the white laces in these joints, man. Yeah, let me know let me know in the description, in the comments below. Do you think I should do? The red is a no. The red's a no. You think I should do the white laces in these, or you think I should keep them stock? Now, mind you, I have advisors. You know what I'm saying? I definitely have advisors that, you know, I really take their word on. So if they are, you know, if they ain't telling me keep it stock or go, that's like 2 votes to 1. You know what I'm saying? Kind of like on that Florida effect, like George Bush. But anyway, man. Oh yeah, man. These are joints right here. The 160 ain't that bad, man. What y'all think? You know? And then hopefully I can get like I can make like $12 off this. So then technically I pay. My math is bad. What we at? Like 148. You know what I'm saying? Y'all got me? Word. So anyway, put this right here. If y'all do, let me.
Come on!
During this time, I will bring, and I want to shout out to everybody that's checked out my What Would I Rock. It's not my best What Would I Rock. I got away from the What Would I Rocks because I was like, damn, I ain't really have time to do it. For me, sitting on the couch takes more time than going out on a vlog for some reason. Because I gotta sit there and I gotta find the joints, and I know it's still different, but going out on a vlog is like, is different for me. It goes a little quicker, and I'm sorry for rambling on. I miss y'all niggas, man. What's up, man? Alright, I gotta go live for like 5 minutes, you know what I'm saying, a day or something. Word, I might do that, man. Go live with y'all for like 5 minutes or something. But yeah, I did get away from it, but now I got time in my hands, so I might as well get back to the What Would I Rocks, you know, while I'm here. So I'm gonna take full advantage. But anyway, yo, shout out to everybody that's been rocking with me, man. I appreciate it. Yo, shout out to all my sponsors. Damn, I meant to go downstairs. Let me go downstairs and just randomly see if I got anything in my mailbox. My bad. Nada.
Y'all niggas just laughing at me.
Nigga, clown, huh?
Oh, but I still got this. Like, you know, don't act like, you know, shit don't be coming through, you know what I'm saying? And I'm still looking on eBay for some flav, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, yo, I'm about to get up out of here. Shout out to everybody that's been rocking with me, yo, for real. Be safe out there. Wash your hands. Make sure you keep that social distancing, and don't mistake social distancing from social awkwardness. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Anyway, yo, follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be. But that Snups. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this. My channel is towards your beach, like I always like to say. See you when I see you. Out.
The definition of fly, that's how I look at you. You stay fly, my niggas.
Yeah, they know my name, know my name. Yeah. 100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete, and I got a lot of eyes on. You ain't got to turn the lights on. You exquisite, great, so cute. Looking like you're supposed to. 100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete. On top of the world, that's what I'm feeling like. On top of your girl, I gotta scream and die. One time for them faces, bees who keep the loudest of the loudest, and it stink like pee. Ooh, about to black out on some Zans. Wake up and do it again. If you afraid to get damn, please keep your feet in the sand. Homie P Dice with the man. Need must I say it again? Homie P Dice with the man. They look outside and I slam. 100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete, and I got a lot of eyes on. You ain't got to turn the lights on. You exquisite, great, so cute. Looking like you're supposed to. out my hair like Malcolm X. This shit looks white, don't it? Don't get your wife stolen. That pussy like Poland. These niggas change soon as they see checks. That shit is quite bogus. Now me, ho, I'm nothing like them. I pop out that coupe and like them. Asking where I'm at, I'm right here. Asking where I'm at, I'm right here. 100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete. And I got a lot of eyes on. You ain't got to turn the lights on. You a squeeze grease so cute. Lick it like you're supposed to. 100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete. 100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete.
Promise not many niggas living like this. If I was on the toilet, I still wouldn't get two shits. When I spray the tech, all your niggas gon' desert you. Knowing not to fuck with King Chip, it's a virtue. Put up and she got him wearing nothing but a leather coat. Damn, that pussy wet when she got out, had on my leather soap. Don't be chasing women if she wanna go do so.
Y'all niggas got the game fucked up.
I'm the most organic rap nigga in the galaxy. I don't fuck with broke hoes, bitch, that's my policy. We ain't got no blunts, oh fuck it, roll a joint then. King Chip swagging on your daddy and your boyfriend. Offer me the pussy, I ain't bout to ask, can I? Living on the road, got my condo in the semi. Who gives a fuck if you Democrat or a pub? Is you ballin' like a king or is you broke as the fuck?
Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. Y'all niggas got the game fucked up.
He really brought a motherfucking top 5 icon in this bitch. You know what I mean? Some people consider him top 5. You know what I'm saying?
Some people consider him
number one.
Yeah.